Hey, it's Chris from JugglingSecrets.com, and in this video you're going to learn the reverse cascade, which is this pattern right here. Okay, so for you to actually understand how this pattern works, I'm going to use a different colored ball, and the reason for that is so you can kind of see what happens in the pattern to see how it actually works. And every single throw for the reverse cascade is just this, it just goes over the top. If you notice with the normal cascade pattern, everything kind of goes out and under, like it's like this. Oop, that's weird to say. Like you'll notice that the multicolored ball goes underneath the red ball, right? And for the reverse cascade, it does the opposite. It goes over the top every single time. So to get used to this and to actually practice this, it's not that difficult. It's just practicing over the top throws. So I do like to do this and like break it down, and inside my actual full video course at the Juggling Secrets Academy, it does break things down even more than these YouTube videos do, but the idea is just to practice throwing one ball over the top of the pattern, just to get comfortable with seeing and feeling the ball go inside out instead of outside in, just because it's different and it's hard to do a lot of the time, something that goes against what you have been doing the whole time. So practicing this is just, throwing one over the top every single time. And as you do this, you're gonna, mess up a little bit. Things are gonna go all over the place. The throws aren't gonna go where you want them to. So it's important to actually be disciplined about the practice and do this over and over again until you get comfortable with the throw and making it. And then you try to do a couple throws in a row that are just over the top every single time. So it's, for instance, I'll show you. So it'll be like over the top, oops, so over the top, over the top, over the top, just like this. And you'll notice it's a weird movement for your hands. It's not like as fluid of the juggling as this pattern, like the regular cascade. But once you get into rhythm with it, you can, I don't know if you can hear the sound of it. It has around the same timing as the other pattern, the regular cascade pattern. But practicing this, you just need to do over the top throws every single try. So what I want you to do is actually try this and let me know in the comments if you get this. If you have any other questions about this pattern or anything, please let me know in the comments. That's what it's actually there for. And if you want to get access to the full video course, I'm going to include a link down below where it goes into more detail, and it's everything's just in one place for that. So thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and give it a thumbs up if you got value out of this video, because that shows YouTube that I'm doing a good job of teaching this stuff to you, so more people will see it. So thank you so much for watching, and give that a try and let me know what you think.